Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Christmas decor is probably one of the most exciting and festive ways to transform your workspace into a winter wonderland, bringing cheer and holiday spirit to colleagues and clients alike. As the snowflakes begin to fall and carols fill the air, it's time to deck the halls of your office, creating a welcoming and joyful atmosphere that reflects the magic of the season. From twinkling lights and shimmering ornaments to cozy stockings and fragrant garlands, the right decorations can make all the difference in boosting morale and spreading holiday cheer throughout the workplace, making it a memorable and delightful experience for everyone involved. Number 5. Vintage Merry Christmas Banner. Bring a delightful and festive touch to your home or office this holiday season. This banner adds a unique and vintage look to any space. Featuring distressed paperboard cards with red letters, this decoration offers a charming retro and nostalgic feel. It's designed to evoke a traditional, old-fashioned holiday spirit. Each card is beautifully detailed with red letters backed by a soft olive green flourish. It's strung on a coordinating green satin ribbon for an elegant presentation. This banner offers versatile hanging options. It stretches over 54 inches when hung double, or over 84 inches when hung side by side, adapting to your display needs. Crafted to be sturdy for years of use, it's also surprisingly light. You can easily hang it up with simple Scotch tape, making decorating a breeze. Ideal for your fireplace mantle, farmhouse decor, or any indoor space. It's the perfect addition to create a warm and inviting Christmas atmosphere. What we like? This banner brings a touch of nostalgic charm to any space. Its distressed details and classic lettering evoke a warm, traditional feel. If you're looking to create a cozy, old-fashioned Christmas ambience in your office, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Had them hung above the fireplace all Christmas and never had any problems. The size is great as well as the build quality. Definitely simple but brings some holiday charm to the house. Looks beautiful. Much bigger than expected. These were pretty easy to string up and hang. Pretty good quality, thick paper, like cardstock. They looked great over my fireplace. Easy to assemble. Quality is pretty good. Should last several years. Number 4. LUDILO Christmas Snowflakes Window Clings. Transform any smooth surface into a magical winter scene with these festive decorations. Perfect for windows, doors, and more, they bring the holiday spirit to life. Add a touch of Christmas cheer with these easy-to-apply decals. They stick on and peel off cleanly, leaving no mess or damage behind, and can be reused year after year. Crafted from premium PVC, these static clings are designed for hassle-free application. Enjoy a beautiful, mess-free holiday display that's kind to your surfaces. Get 135 pieces in total, featuring 3 classic snowflake designs in various sizes. This generous assortment offers incredible value for your creative holiday decorating needs. Gather your loved ones for a fun DIY decorating session. Create lasting memories and enjoy quality time together as you craft your perfect holiday home. For best results, apply these to clean, smooth indoor surfaces. Ensure the surface is cool and avoid direct outdoor exposure for a long-lasting, beautiful holiday look. What we like? These clings offer a simple and clean way to decorate. They are incredibly easy to apply and remove without leaving any residue. If you want a hassle-free decorating experience and the ability to reuse them year after year, these are ideal for your office windows. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and looks great in the office. The lights are bright and colorful, adding a festive touch to the workspace. It's a perfect size for a small office, not too bulky but still makes a statement. Number 3. Konsait Snowflake Swirls Christmas Hanging Decorations, 30 PCS. Transform your space instantly with these elegant hanging swirls. They come pre-assembled, making decorating a breeze for any festive occasion. Each decoration features shimmering foil swirls adorned with charming snowflake cutouts. They add a touch of winter magic to your party. Crafted from high-quality foil, these decorations are built to last. With careful handling, you can enjoy them for multiple celebrations. Perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any winter wonderland theme. Hang them indoors or outdoors to create a captivating atmosphere. Use them to decorate doorways, tables, or even as a delightful photo booth backdrop. They're sure to leave a lasting impression on your guests. Elevate the mood of your home, office, or party venue. These hanging ornaments are designed to bring joy and a cheerful vibe. What we like? Get instant festive flair with these ready-to-hang decorations. The shimmering foil swirls and snowflake cutouts add a touch of elegance. If you need quick and easy decorations that create a dazzling winter wonderland effect in your office, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The lights are bright and have multiple settings. The design is very festive and fits perfectly on my desk. Easy to set up and looks great in the office space. Number 2. XIMISHOP Christmas Snowflake Window Clings. Add a touch of holiday magic to your home with these charming Christmas window clings. They are perfect for creating a festive atmosphere for your holiday parties. This set includes a total of 82 pieces across 5 sheets, featuring snowflakes, Santa Claus, reindeer, and more. Each decal is generously sized for a noticeable display. Crafted from quality PVC, these stickers are designed to last. They adhere well to smooth surfaces with water and stay put without easily falling off. Enjoy the festive designs from both inside and outside your windows. These clings feature double-sided patterns, ensuring visibility from every angle. Applying them is a breeze, just use a little water on a clean surface. When the holidays are over, they remove cleanly without leaving any sticky residue behind. With a variety of delightful patterns, these decorations are sure to make your Christmas party unforgettable. They bring joy and a memorable holiday spirit to any space. What we like? These window clings offer vibrant, visible decorations from both inside and outside your office. With a variety of festive characters like Santa and reindeer, they add a playful touch. If you want decorations that are easily applied with water and visible from all angles, these are a great pick. What people say. They are adorable and durable. They are easy to place on the window and they stay on until I remove them. You can remove them and put them on a different window. These were good quality, looked good from inside and outside, and I was able to save them for next year. Looking forward to reusing them. Installing them takes a super dad level of skill because they're double-sided. These cute decals have survived 110 degrees heat, hail the size of baseballs, and enough sun to roast a brisket on the dashboard. Still no bubbles, no fade, just pure shade like a cowboy under a mesquite tree. If you want something that lasts and screams, "I love my ride," this is it. Number 1. Sunnyglade 22 Tabletop Christmas Tree. Bring the holiday spirit home with this charming mini Christmas tree. Its compact design makes it a perfect centerpiece for any table or desk. Brighten up any room with this beautiful decoration. It's designed to add a magical touch and create lasting Christmas cheer year after year. Ideal for homes, offices, or classrooms, this tree fits perfectly on countertops, tables, or mantels. It comes beautifully decorated with warm LED lights. This tree requires just 3 AA batteries for use, which are not included. It stands 22 inches tall and is made from high-quality PVC material. This mini pine tree is ready to be decorated and will stand up straight to hold ornaments perfectly. Get ready for compliments on this stunning holiday edition. What we like? This mini tree is designed to bring holiday cheer to smaller spaces. It comes complete with LED lights and ornaments, making it a convenient all-in-one decoration. If you have limited space in your office or want a charming centerpiece for your desk, this tabletop tree is a perfect fit. What people say. These are just basic little Christmas trees that come with all accessories. Great for a table and folks with very small spaces. It's very easy to assemble. It is cute, but the overall look is very cheap looking. The ornaments are lightweight, plastic. The green material used as pine needles is very thin and falls off easily. Good for the office desk or small corner space. Festive, but cheap looking. Super cute, easy to set up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.